All of you in the comment, please type you have joined. Shamika, can you see my screen? Confirm in the YouTube, please. Huh? I shared the screen in the YouTube, not here. So all of you, can you see the screen? Chachi has joined later. Yeah, I'm just asking the leaders, and then they can put it there a comment. Joined. That's all. In the comment in the YouTube, just type yes. You can see. Right. Shamika, please comment. So, what is the thing we have done? Our VD01 up to consultant work. Correct? So, what is the thing? I just take 2 minutes. What are you supposed to know in VD01 consultant work? In VD01 consultant work, you have to know the part. Yes or no? Of the account group, you have to know the part of general data. These all the parts. Yes or no? So general data, title, everything, and this is again we have changed the part, and this is the updated document. These you have to. If you are coming till your billing document, you are done up to tax classification. Clear? So you have done up to sales area data billing document. And what is the fourth tab left out for you, Shamika? It is partner function. Yes or no? So partner function consultant work is 6 step. That is nothing but your partner determination. Correct? So that partner determination is how many steps? 6 steps, which you have to know. The thing I am trying to put across. If I say this is sales area data, billing document, what is the one last part I have to know? Customer tax classification. For partner function, how this has appeared, the consultant work for this is nothing but not you are done up to partner tax classification. And the other thing will be customer master data, partner determination. Correct? For the fourth tab. So everyone has to know how many steps are involved in customer master data partner determination. They are 6 steps. Clear? Three define and three assign. Where you do that, right? And then they should know what is the meaning of customer account group. Everyone should know what is the partner determination SPSH Correct? Once they have known this and still they have not known this, then you have to put your respective YouTube video, correct, which was posted. SAP, partner determination, and all the part. You have to, as a leader, you have to post it on the group, not only on your respective lab group, put it on the group, Shamika. Correct? So now what has happened? The people who are missing, like for example, today Paris is not there. She can come and listen to the video. And she don't say that I don't know. Now here, what is the thing? You are done up to customer VD01 total consultant work. Meaning on your own enterprise structure, you are ready to create the first customer. Correct? So I just take this. These are the thing which Kennedy has done on 1000 company code. I'll delete all the IDs. Okay. Now I am going to do it on my own enterprise structure. Correct. Now this is to be done on my own enterprise secure. He is not well, so you can volunteer and you can give me your company code and your this thing. So now we are going to do unit testing. This is called unit testing. Customer master data creation we are going to do on my own enterprise structure. Correct? So now let's try to create the customer on my own enterprise structure. So in VD01, I don't have to do anything because I'm using my own. Correct? So I'll click on the mountain, select the account group 0001. Can you give me your sales org, Shamika? Anyone in the class who remembers the sales or distribution channel division? Huh? Yes or? Huh? Yes sir? It's a 4-digit ID, Shamika. Yes sir? Correct? You see that? You see the screen and confirm, Shamika. And what is the huh? And division? Yes sir. Correct? So now, because we have done all the consultant work, there is nothing to be done. I can use the standard SAP. I am going to go and create the first customer on my own enterprise structure. Kennedy, it could be KENN, KE for you. Each one of you have created enterprise structure. Now, today after the class in the lab, everyone can go and create the customer one hyphen. This is which one? SRAJ. Clear? Then you can say search term SRAJ. Clear? And then in which country is the structure? You create the customer in that country. This is in India. Oh, UAE. Then once you have created UAE, now you don't have this. Correct? Now there is no region. Yes or no? So you have to go to that T code and you would have created for India, UDA, US, and Kenya. They are there. Yes or no? So now because region is not there, what I'll do? I'll go and create a region in UAE. Shamika. Clear? Oh, you're making the work tougher. So what is the insert region? I have to create what is the country? AE. Give me the what is the first state? 01. What is the state name? I have to give. UAE is divided into what is the first emirate name? One emirate you give. That's enough. Hmm. Abu the okay. Then I have done the consultant work for this. Correct. So now if I'm going to do the end user work, I'm going to get this. Then there is no transportation zone also. You have created. Yes. Then control data. Because this is not a European Union country, you hit F1 and read the document if you don't understand. Why I'm not creating VAT registration number? Because Abu Dhabi is not EU country. I need not enter this. Then I'll go to sales area data. I'll create the sales district, customer group, currency, price group, customer pricing procedure indicator, customer statistical group. Clear? Then I'll go to billing, delivery priority, normal, shipping condition, delivering plant. SRAJ. बोलो ना यार. What? How I'll know your structure? SR. Huh. And then partial rebate, CFR, Dubai. So why I'm writing the second column what it is? If I don't know, you are right. What is the example? In the first thing, you are writing the CFR. In the second field, you are writing the port of the delivery, like FOB Boston. Correct? CFR Dubai. Clear? And terms of payment, I am entering immediate 0001. You have created enterprise structure in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and then you have created the customer also domestic. Clear? And now you see your partner function SPSH BPPY has come. Correct? Now I am able to save the thing. Now 610002 and put it to me. Am I clear? Meaning VD01, the total consultant work you have done, and then you have done your end user work also. Clear? Now where I have to go? Now I have go and create the FD01. Correct? Now if I am going to do FD01, what is the number? 61 4 times 02 and company code is SRAJ. Correct? Now if I am going to go, this is not allowing me to create the customer. Yes or no? It's not going allowing me to do anything here. So now I have to do the consultant work for FD01. Till I don't do that, it will not allow me. Correct? So what is the consultant work which is going to be involved there? We have to see. I'm going to show you a customer. So in FD01, what all you have done in 1000 company code? You have entered account management tab, reconciliation account. Then you have entered the sort key and you have entered the cash management group. And then you have entered terms of payment. Yes or no? So now please take down the notebook everyone and write down the consultant work for FD01. Please write down consultant work for FD01. Now you write part A. I'm going to divide into part A and part B. Part A, I'm going to say create customer initial screen consultant work. Create customer initial screen consultant work. Part A, main heading. Correct? In that account group already you have taken care in your VD01 consultant work. Customer number, number ranges also you have taken care. What is the new thing which you have to enter? You have to create your company code. Yes or no? So what is the first thing which you are going to write? Write down customer create part 1. Customer create initial screen consultant work. Right? In that step 1, define company. Define company. 2. Define company code. Step 1, define company. Step 2, define company code. Step 3, assign company code to company. Assign company code. This work already you have done at enterprise structure level. Yes or no? Where you have done? You are done at enterprise structure. So SPRO, enterprise structure. Shamika, you have already done. What is the consultant work required? You have defined your company as SRAJ. Correct? Step 1. Correct? Step 2, you have defined your company code also. Right? And then step 3, assign in financial accounting, assign SRAJ to SRAJ. Correct? You have done the assignment also. Correct? All of you on mute, please, except Shamika, both in YouTube as well as in Google Meet. So now you have to know, write down the path for this consultant work. What is the path, Shamika? SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define company. Correct? T code is OX15. Correct? Step 2, the path is going to be the same. I request all of you on mute. Can't you understand? Company code, the OX02. Clear? And third one is financial accounting, that is going to be OX16. Clear? Now you have done with your initial screen consultant work. Correct? Now I have to go and do, what is the consultant work I have to do? I have to do company code consultant work. Now you write down part 2 for FD01 consultant work. Part 2, company code data consultant work. Clear? In company code data consultant work, again you have to write 2A. 2A, you write down account management consultant work. Account management tab consultant work. Correct? Account management tab consultant work. And 2B will be payment transaction tab consultant work. Correct? Now you again write down 2A. Account management tab consultant work will have again three of them. One, define reconciliation account. Define reconciliation account. Two, define sort key. Three, define cash management group. These are the three fields which you are entering. Clear? So you should know in SPRO the part of all these things. Correct? If the client requires them, I should be able to create. Correct? So when I'm not able to enter this field because the reconciliation account I have not created. Yes or no? So what you have written, company code data, part B, 2A, you got A, 2A, account management tab consultant work. In that again you have got three sub thing. One, define reconciliation account, define sort key, define cash management group. Then you write down 2B, payment transaction tab consultant work. Payment transaction tab consultant work. In that you are writing define terms of payment. Correct? Now your index is ready, Shamika. Correct? Now what you have to understand? Now the whole point is now you have to understand what are the things you have to understand in the whole of the FD01 consultant work. You have to know what is a company, what is a company code, why do you assign company code to company, then what is a reconciliation account, what is a short key, what is a cash management group, and what is your terms of payment. Correct? Now I have not put company code and why we assign company code, that we have discussed in detail when we are talking about enterprise structure. Correct? So now let's discuss the three fields which we are going to enter. First one is called as SAP reconciliation account in customer. What is the reconciliation account which you have entered in customer? Shamika, for 1000 company code? 1,40,000. Yes or no? You see, everyone has entered when they created. This is nothing but a general ledger account, trade receivable domestic. Clear? A GL account is to be required for the customer where all the total money collected by the customer will go into this GL account. Clear? I'm going to show you where it is getting collected. Clear? So whenever you are doing F-28, the amount what you are entering there will come and get deposited into this GL account. Am I clear? Of the students, uh, or rather than asking, unmute from my notes only. Uh, I'll just take OTC cycle. Okay. This is someone who is done. He has not done F-28. Come on, yaar. Uh, Chachi. Yeah. So Shachi has done 421, 421, 21. Correct? Now I'll go to FB03. Correct? What is the document number she has created? Chachi 14121. 1421. Correct? That was her, and in year. Correct? Now here when I'm saying this is the total amount. Yes or no? Two 247,800. Right? 2,47,800 euros has to go to this customer account. Yes or no? This is the customer. Now, this customer, if I click on general ledger view, it is coming nothing but trade receivable domestic. Yes or no? What she has done when she was doing F-28, correct? What Chachi has done? Chachi has written here the account in the bank 113109. The total amount she has entered is 2 lakh, whatever that amount is. Correct? She has entered this amount. Yeah, and they have entered the customer ID here. Correct? So that money in this bank, and this is the GL account in which this money is going. Am I clear? Kennedy, instead of Kennedy, I want Razak to say yes for today. Have you understood what is reconciliation account? Reconciliation account is the GL account where the total amount paid by the customer will get deposited. Clear? Razak, say yes. Right. Uh, and Martin and Daniel, just say yes. Tabitha, you can say yes. Right. Now, now, okay. If anyone in your group doesn't understand, try to explain them in the lab, Shamika. Clear? Now, all of you, please understand what is this GL account. For all the non-accounting people, I'll explain it in a very layman term. You take a book that is called as chart of account or a books of accounts. What will that book will have? Shamika, it will have lot of pages. Correct? Each each page is called as one GL account. Correct? In company code 1000 in that book, I call 1,40,000 is one page number. Correct? So that in that page number, what is the entry I'm making? I am making this entry 2 lakh order. Correct? On 1000 company code from January to December, there will be lot of activity they will be doing. Number of sales. Yes or no? Every time the total money is going to be coming from the customer, where it will be deposited, it will be coming Chachi in the page number 1,40,000 in 1000 company code. Correct? All the entries. At the end of the day, if my financial year in Germany is from January 1st to December, in all the countries is not like that. How it is, I'll tell you. So, if it is in India, it is from April to March 31st. If it is Kenya, I think it is July 1st to June 30th, your accounting year. And some countries it will be October 1st to September 30th. That we will discuss tomorrow. Correct? Tabitha, from accounts point of view, you are the accountant. Is it July 1st to June 30th in Kenya? Confirm, Tabitha? Right. So all the Indians, Yashwant, the accounting year India is April 1st to March 31st. Yes or no? So whatever is happening, if you have created an enterprise sector company code in thousand instead of thousand, you would have created in India. So this entry, when you are going to take the balance sheet, you are going to take the balance sheet on March 31st. Kabita sitting in Kenya is going to take on June 30th because that will be the last day of the accounts. Correct? Because in Kenya, the account will start on July 1st and end at June 30th. For you, Yeshwant, it starts on April 1st to March 31st. The accounting year of Dubai. Correct? And some countries like Thailand or another thing or Australia, it will be July 1st to June 30th. And some country like Thailand or other thing, it will be October 1st to September 30th. So at the end of the day, what is going to happen? At the end of the day, what is going to happen? This 1,40,000 page number, if I add up, what is the total I'm going to get, Tabitha? I am getting the total money which I received from the customer in this financial year. Yes or no? Tabitha, accounts people say yes. Whoever is from accounts background. Correct? So, at the end of the day, at the end of the year, I can draw my balance sheet, which is going to be the ultimate document. Now, for all the non accounting people, think that GL account is nothing but in a book page number. Correct? For 1000 company code, for all the customer payment, you have created one page number called 1,40,000. Correct, Shamika? But for SRAJ, we have not created the page number. So I can't do FD01 consultant work. Correct? Yes or no? So now I have to know where all the accounting entries will come in AR cycle and AP cycle. That is the first context. Am I clear? If I show you this, you see here, Chachi, please come in. Anyone who is not from accounts background, Martin, please come from marketing side. Non-accounting person, please. If he or she understand, I'll take yes for everyone. Anyone from supply chain? Yeah, Chachi, right. Now you are not from accounts, correct? Now you see in AR Chachi, what I have done, I have colored these four stages. Stock posting stage, post good issue, invoice, and customer incoming payment clearing. Yes or no? Because you have FI document in this stage and you have got GL accounts. Yes or no? Now you see, once you are doing this, Chachi, you have done this stock posting, then you have got document and you have got FI document. Correct? Okay, maybe I have picked up, you have not done this. Okay, I'll take it from here. Okay, now what is the thing? It is going to be there. MB03, I'll go for this. This is your FI document, document. Yes or no? Which one? 50229 is your stock posting stores in charge document. 50224. Correct. Now for which document type, FI document type, Chachi? Stock posting stage. If you have not done your course till now, Chachi, what is the FI document type? Stock posting stage. Huh? WA, not E. WE is for AP. Correct. WA. Correct. And then this is the accounting document which is coming in the background. What is the document number? 490196. Yes or no? 49. Please write this number. Chachi or someone remember and tell when I'm typing. 490196. Help me out. So now you have got the document type. This is document type WA and this is FI document WA. Am I clear? But in the background, there are going to be two GL account which is to be credited and debited at this stage. What is that? The two GL account are 792000 and 7999. The GL account name is initial stock entry and finished goods inventory. And by what amount they have done? They have amounted with this. Correct? Why this amount has come? Why that amount has come? How much stock did you post? You posted this much stock. Can't you post 100 or something? Why you want to show such a big number, Chachi? Huh? You could have posted because you are creating one sales order for that cycle, na? Then it would have been easy for you to calculate the zero. Correct? And what? Where is the cost price you have written? You have written the cost price in the material master. Yes or no? So how the total has come? You have entered how much? 1000. Correct? 1000 multiplied by the stock quantity. Correct? How much stock you have posted in MB1C? Correct? 1000 into this. I'm not wearing the specs. You can calculate that many zeros have come. Am I clear? How the value is coming? Yes, one. Stock posted quantity multiplied by the cost price per piece. And in accounting one view and in MB1C, you have posted the stock quantity. Correct? So you got, and you have got this 2 GL account. Clear? Now, I have not understood what is a GL account, why this GL account is updated like this. Correct? Now, I have not understood. Yashwant, are you from accounts background? Then I don't want you. I want. So now, what is the thing? Now we have to understand in AR in AP how the accounting entries are going to take place. Correct? All of you, please see it carefully. Who is non-accounting? Chachi, are you from non-accounts background? Right. Now you tell me there is what is the ultimate document of a business, Chachi? Ultimate document of a business is balance sheet. You might have heard it. Correct? Whatever your company is doing, it has to be reflected in the balance sheet. Correct? When I'm doing stock posting, what is the thing? What I'm doing? In which department stock posting is happening? In the production department, I had cash in my hand. It is converted into finished goods. Yes or no? What is the meaning of stock posting? I produced 1,000 pieces of so and so material. Yes or no? Let's assume in stock posting stage, the production engineer George has produced 100 Tata Tiago car finished goods. Okay, after they have manufactured 100 cars, Alex, the steward, moved the car from the factory into the storage location. That stage is called as stock posting stage. Clear? Then the cost price per the car. This you have maintained 700,000 Indian rupees in accounting one view of Metal Master when you created Tata Tiago material. Yes or no? Chachi, yes or no? You have to be participant, Chachi. You have to be much more interactive. Now, what will be the amount, the total value of the stock? You tell me. What is the total value of your stock? Oh, you are feeling. Now, this is what is the thing? How you will calculate the total stock value? 100 cars and per car price you are maintaining accounting one view. Correct. So you have to multiply 7 lakhs into 100. Yes or no? So what is the value? Cost price for the car. That is 7 lakhs or 700,000 multiplied by stock posted quantity. What is the stock posted quantity? 100. Correct. Let me just make it a small number. Why every student want to have high number, so many zero? Suppose it is 700 into 100. What will happen? 700 into 100. Yes or no? Then it will come 70,000. Yes or no? And now there is something in accounts when something is happening. Say, Chachi, you are giving me $100. Correct? What will happen to your account? Your account is debited with $100. Yes or no? What will happen to my account for that $100? It will be credited. Yes or no? So if the money is coming from your account to my account, your account will get reduced by $100. My account will increase by $100. Yes or no? Bank account. Meaning you have to understand what is debit and credit. Correct? So for that, the accounting thumb rule for non-accounting people also we have written it like this. All of you please write down these golden rules of debit and credit. Clear? In accounts, in they are going to be accounts in accounts. One is balance sheet account and one is profit and loss account. You might have heard. Correct? So in balance sheet, you will have two accounts that is called as assets and liability. In profit and loss, you will have revenue and expenses. Clear? Now, what is asset? What do you understand by asset? Any belonging of the company is asset. Why you are taking so much of time, Chachi? Any belonging of my company is called as asset. Yes or no? What is my asset? My house is my asset. My AC is my asset. Whatever the tangible and intangible which belongs to me is my asset. It's simple English. All of you have to be much quicker on their feet in their thought process. So, what is the asset? Everything. The cash which is there in your house is your asset. The hereditary property, what your father or grandfather has given you, that is your asset. Correct? That is the asset. What is liability? The liability is one which is with you, but it doesn't belong to you. You have taken a bank loan of $100,000 to construct the house, Chachi. Correct? Here is the money. The money is there in your account, but it is not yours. You have to repay the loan with the interest to the bank. Correct? That money will become liability. Correct? I have taken a hand loan of $100 from you, but that will not become my asset. It's a liability because I have to return you next month. Correct? So you have understood what is asset and what is liability. Whatever I am going to generate the money, that is revenue. Why I generate the money in the company? Because I am selling my finished goods. Correct? My PR00 condition type, whatever I am doing is selling price is my revenue. Yes or no? So my PR00 will go into revenue. What is my expense? Expense is nothing but if I have given the discount to the customer K007, it is an expense account. Yes or no? Because I am losing on money. The salary what I am paying the employees is expense. What current bill, electricity bill, power bill, your water bill, or your rent of the premises, all will come into expense account. Yes or no? So now, how many types of accounts will be there in total? There will be four. What are the four? Asset, liability, revenue, and expense. Correct. Now, the golden rule you think here. What is the golden rule is saying? If the asset is increasing, you will debit it. Clear? You see here, if the asset increases, you will debit that value. If the asset decreases, you will credit. In the same way, liability decreases, then you will debit it. Liability increases, you are going to credit it. Revenue decrease, increase. Expense increase, decrease. Clear? Now let's take our first stage of accounting entry, four stages. Stock posting stage. What is the stage? What is the T code for stock posting, Chachi? In which stage I am talking? So in MB1C, I want to see my accounting entries. Correct. So what is happening? I had the cash in my hand. Correct. Which I converted into 100 cars. Yes or no? So what is the two accounts I am having? Cash account and finished goods inventory. Finished goods inventory is nothing but my cars. Correct. So what is happening? Cash is also my asset. Yes or no? And car is also my asset. Yes or no? After 100 cars are produced, what happened to your cash? Cash has reduced or decreased or increased? Eh? What kind of no? Ah, because it is converted into cash. You went to the vegetable market to purchase your potato, tomato. Correct. At the end of your shopping, what happened? You went to purchase the money in your purse is reduced or increased after your purchase. It is reduced. Correct. So your cash account is decreased. Am I clear? If cash account is decreased, what I have to do? Cash account is decreased. Cash is nothing but a asset. Asset is decreasing. Correct? Asset is decreasing. Then what I should do? I should credit the GL account. Correct? So I have to credit the GL account. Yes or no? Finished goods inventory. Asset is what happened. Finished goods inventory was zero. I didn't have any car now. That car has increased by how many? 100 numbers. Correct? So again, my asset has increased. So what I have to do? If asset is increasing, what I have to do now? Debit. Correct? So now I have identified my the two GL account, cash account, finished goods account. Correct? So cash account is to be credited, finished goods account has to be debited. Correct? Then I have to think the third stage by what value. How will calculate the value? Value is equal to cost price of the car. Where did I maintain the cost price of the car? I maintain in the accounting one view of the material master data as standard price. Remember? So this 77 lakhs I would have written in accounting one view of the material master data, and 100 is the MB1C stock posting quantity. Correct? This is the value. Am I clear? So now in the same way, I am going to show you for your company code 1000. You have done your MB1C. Yes or no? So for which the accounting document is going to be generated. Yes or no? So how many GL accounts you require for stock posting stage? Chachi, what are they? Yeah, that is we'll call now for time being as cash account. Okay, cash account is called as finished goods inventory. Clear? Am I clear? So I am showing you what is the GL account number in thousand company code for stock posting stage. So this is the amount. This value how it has come, which is the material which you have posted. What is the this is the material, correct? This material in accounting one view you have written the cost price of the material, €1,000. Correct? And how much quantity have you posted? You have posted this much quantity. Correct? So what is the value? 1,000 into this much. Correct? So that is the reason without thought process you have written some numbers. This is the value. Correct? Now I'll tell you why I'm upset with you. What is the material which you have created? MTX material. Yes or no? So you would have created some material. This is a finished goods pharmaceutical. Yes or no? In pharmaceutical, tell me how costly your drug is. It is going to cost you €1,000 per piece. Convert into your nation, you will buy at that price. Yes or no? So you have to have common sense that I am going to buy a paracetamol. Yes or no? At what price I buy a paracetamol in a medical store? Yes or no? So that I am going to say buy at 100. Okay? Then the cost of price will be around 80 or 70. Correct? Then how much quantity I am posting? That multiplied by 70 should be your answer in real time. It is going to take because you have written something. But logically, because you have created a finished goods, now what is the cost of the drug you know? Now I have to invent a new disease for the drug, Chachi, for the amount you are selling the drug. You got me? So this is the accounting entry. Clear? So what is the GL accounts which you have created in thousand company code for stock posting? How many GL accounts? Two. What are the GL account number? Please write down all of you. Thousand stock posting stage. The two GL account is 792,000 and 7999. Initial stock entry and finished goods inventory. So stock posting stage, how many GL account? Two GL account. Correct. And where is the accounting entry is going to come in? Which is the next stage, Chachi? Where are I'm going to have the accounting entry? Where is the colored one? You are done 20 cycles, you are not giving the answer. Post good issue level. Correct? So you see, I have colored it. You don't even get the doubt why it is colored, huh? All of you. So I got my here. How many document I'm getting? Yeshwant, I'm getting 3 document. What is this document? This is your SD document. What is the document type? What is the document type? That is the T code. What is the document type? Huh? Give the class. Who out doesn't know the answer? Young, you don't come for the weekend revision class and don't know the simple elementary kindergarten stuff. Yeshwant. Now there is nothing I can do with this batch. Why you people don't read? Why you are taking my Yeshwant? You can't even prepare the simple thing. Is the document type material not given to you? Uh, what is given to you? Why you people are not reading? Is it I'm running a fun or a comedy show? Hopeless batch. Now this is a master data. The video is there. No one is interested to see the video. Post good issues. The 3 document type is LF, WL, and WL. Yes or no? If you people have not read, you forget about you even stepping into SAP job. Anyone. That's the reason I said put the all the heads. I request you to put what they should know. You do the course for next 5 years also, you are not going to get a SAP job. Don't come near any SAP thing. So what is the this is LF, correct? There has to be a reason. When every day like a fool I come and ask, is there any doubt? Anyone has a doubt? No one says. And they don't know. All the document I prepare till midnight and sit and give it to you like a fool. So this is your LF document, correct? For this LF document, what is the document I have to take? S1, I have to take the document type is WL, correct? So how I'm going to take my WL? I take this number. Now, if you don't know, you have to ask. I'm asking 100 times. You are just doing time pass, all of you. So where I have to go? I have to go to VL02N. How do I take? All of you have taken. Razak, you have done 20 cycles. Yes or no? 10 cycles. What is the use, man? Huh? Now, what is the document number? 50230. 50230 is your goods issue document, Yes or no? Now, if you are not able to give the answer, it just irritates me. This is why you have weekend. What you are doing? This is can tomorrow. I am going to get my fifth grade. Yes, one 530. What is the number? 50. At least repeat this number. Yes, one. Uh, mm. Correct. Now, what is this? This is your. What is this number? What is the document type? This is LF. Yes or no? This is your LF number. Correct. 800. SD document type LF. Yes or no? This number. And what is this number? This is your post good issue document WL. From WL of I have to take the WL of FI. Yes or no? Remember such elementary thing which a kindergarten going kid could say. Yes, one. I'm going to get the fifth grade students in the class and make you to sit with you. He'll answer better than you. MB03, and then you see the accounting document. What is the accounting document it has generated? 490,202. Correct? So what is the thing which we have, Chachi, now? This is your SD document type LS 800 18103. Correct? And from this, I went to VL02N and got my document type WL. Correct? From WL, I got my FIWL. Correct? So this is the stage. Now that class was long back, 20 days or 15 days back, old class. I'm repeating again. Now that was not the thing. Now in that, now what is the thing in post good issue should happen? The 2GL account which is going to come in the second stage is finished goods inventory and cost of the goods sold. So why it is coming like this? Clear? How many pieces I have sold in my sales order? 500. Correct? I created in the sales order 500 pieces. Delivery was post good issue, meaning I delivered 500 pieces. Clear? So what is the value of the 500? 500 into what was maintained in accounting one view, Chachi? 500 into 1000. Correct? So how did I get the value? 500 into 1000. 500,000. Correct? Now I have to know which is the GL account required. Yes or no? Now which is the GL account required? Again I have to go and take out the um, GL account. What is the next stage I'm talking? Post good issue. Correct? So what is the post good issue stage? In post good issue stage, the 2GL account is going to be delivered quantity to the customer is one car. Here we are talking 500 cars. Okay? So what is going to happen? The 2GL account is going to be finished goods inventory and cost of the goods sold. Correct? What is going to happen to finished goods inventory? Finished goods inventory is a asset. Out of kept, 500 cars are going out. Yes or no? So asset is decreasing in post good issue. Yes or no? Because in post good issue stage, the out of my premises. Yes or no? So it is decreasing. If the asset decreases, what you are going to do? You are going to you are going to credit. Correct? By what value? Cost, which was your 7 lakhs into uh, no delivered quantity. Your post good issue stage. Correct. What is the delivery you have done? 500. Yes or no? So in your thing, what it has come? Why it has come 500,000 euro? Chachi, the delivered quantity was 500 and the cost price what you maintained was 1000 euro. Correct. So the value came was 500,000 and cost of the goods sold is a expense account. Now expense is increasing and so expense increase it is debit. Clear? By the same value. So what are the two GL accounts which you are going to create? Correct. So till post good issue, how many GL accounts you have created? Yeshwant? Till post good issue in AR cycle, how many GL accounts the FI consultant Tabitha has to give you? Chachi. Post good issue 2. Post good issue stage 2. Correct. And stock posting stage 2. So totally 4. But the thing is, finished goods inventory is repeating. Yes or no? So the total GL account to be given by Tabitha, the accountant to you, Chachi, is how many? 3. 3. Because finished goods inventory is there in both of them. Yes or no? So what are the GL accounts she is going to give? 7920. What are the initial stock entry? What is the GL account? That is finished goods inventory. GL account is 792000, and initial stock entry was 7999, and cost of the goods sold 893015. For 1000 company code, Tabitha has created 3 GL accounts. Yes or no? Very good. Now, where is the accounting entry is going to come in the next stage, Chachi? When I am going to do my VF01, correct? When I am going to give the bill to the customer, then I am going to get my accounting entries. And how many document types I'll have for accounting entries in invoice stage? In VF01, I'll have two departments. One is your SD. The document type is F2, and from F2, I have to take my RV. Correct? RV is nothing but my billing document transfer. If you people have not known this, go back to the document and read it. Clear? So in the Excel sheet, the number what you see here, 900, is nothing but your F2. Yes or no? Now from F2, I have to get my RVs. Yes or no? FI document. So how, where I'll go? Where I have to go to get the document? He said to go me VF02. Clear? VF02. And what is this? Her FI number 900. This one, correct? And you have to click on this document flow. Am I clear? While I'm doing this, I click on this display document. The FI document, what I'm getting is this 14119. Correct? 14119. What is the number I got? One. Okay. Okay. Right. And then what is the document type? FI document type RV. Correct? So how many GL accounts I require? One, two, three, four. Correct? So totally I require five. Yes or no? But here it is showing only four because for this sales order she has not given the discount. Right? You are not given the discount, Chachi. Oh, you are doing all silly mistake. Huh? Now simple data entries you people can't do. Oh, what is given in the Excel? Huh? Now this document is clear. You see here, display document. Here she has given all the five. Correct. So what is the thing which she has done? I'll go back and show you. She has created a sales order. What is the sales order? 20284. Remember this. So where I'll go? VA02. Yes, one. Correct. What is the number? 202. Number Sapphire. 20284. Correct. So this is the sales order she has created. Right. Now what is the thing? Price. Price is coming how much? 200 pieces. Quantity 200. PR00 she has put 200. Correct. 200 into 200 is come as 40,000. Correct. Now you see how beautifully our Chachi has done this. Chachi, Chachi, The cost price of the material for you was how much? Which you maintain in accounting one view was 1000. Correct? Something you manufacture at 1000 euros, you will sell it for more or less. Hmm. For what price you have sold it? You are so generous, huh? You will spend $1000 and manufacture something, and you will give it to Tabitha because she is your good friend for 200 euros by making 800 loss on everything. Then you said to Tabitha, take more incentive. Christmas is here, 10% more discount. Meaning, out of 200, you are giving 10%, meaning 180. You manufacture something at 1000 euro and you are giving it 180 per piece. Clear? So, what is the loss you are making per piece? Correct? Then what has happened, Tabitha? Where you have covered, you are a great lady. You are a very good businessman. You sold the piece at $200, but you said the transport bill is going to be 10 euros per kg. Correct? What is the transport bill you have put, Tabitha? This Chachi. What is the transport bill you have said? Transport bill you have given 1000 euros. Correct? I want someone is getting disturbed there. Put mute, except Chachi, Yashwant, and Shamika. All of you on mute, please. Yashwant, Shamika, or Chachi, if the disturbance is from your background, you mute it. Chachi, what is the price at which you are selling something? Now I'm going to ask you a common sense question. You go to the market and buy a refrigerator. Correct? You are buying at $200, Chachi. Okay? How much you will pay for transport, Chachi? How much you will pay? Now, if you are going to market buying something at 200, you are going to spend only $10 or something. Yes or no? On your transport or your tuk-tuk. Yes or no? Correct. But what you have done, you said, I am going to spend, this material is going to be 100 kg, and per kg, I am going to pay you 10. I am going to charge you how much? 10 euros. So for every piece, the selling price was 200 euro, but the auto or the transport charges was 1000. Are you understanding when you are creating the sales order where all you have to be careful? Clear? Because it was a mathematical number it has taken. Correct? So this is the amount. This is the selling price and this is your transport bill. Correct? It doesn't make any sense. That is the reason still you are, after doing so much of discount also, you have made 36,000 profit. Correct? Otherwise you would have been, this sale would have been terrible. Correct? So now what has to happen? Price has to go into one GL account. Discount has to go into one GL account. Freight amount has to go into one GL account. Yes or no? So price, this 40,000 is going where? 40,000 is going in this GL account called 8 lakhs. Clear? The discount you have given is 4,000. Yes or no? What is the condition type? K007. 4,000 has to go into another GL account. That GL account is nothing but your 888 000. Correct? Then the auto or the freight charges where you had kicked the jackpot for your company. This is 200,000 that is going to come in 809 000. Correct? The freight. The freight has to be coming in that, this one. Clear? And the last one is going to be your tax. Yes or no? The tax is 11,800 has to go into the fourth GL account. Clear? And what is the total amount? Price minus discount plus freight plus tax. This minus this plus this plus this is equal to the total amount. Yes or no? So how you got 2,40,800? 40,000 minus 4,000 is 36,000. 36,000 plus 200,000 is 36,000 plus 1,100 put together is this. This is the amount the check this customer is going to make. And what is in this customer? What is the reconciliation account you have given? You click this general ledger account, then it will give you in the GL account number 1,40,000. Correct? So till now, how many numbers you got, Tabitha? You got three GL accounts till post good issue. Yes or no? Now invoice stage, how many GL accounts you are requiring, Chachi? Five. So totally till invoice stage, eight GL account for you. Please write down this five GL accounts. One 40,000. Sales revenue is nothing but your PR00 money will go into 800,000. Clear? Discount K007 condition type, that amount 4,000 will go into 888,000. The freight, what is the freight condition type? Yes, one. The freight condition type was KF00. In week 11, you are done. Correct? So KF00, that amount has come to 200,000 is going in the GL account 809,000. And 11,800 was your tax amount in the sales order will go into 1,75,000. Clear? So now I have to create this 5GL account. Yeah, my clear, Shamika ji? Please come in till this point. Correct? So stock posting stage, 2GL account. Post good issue, another extra GL account. Cost of the goods sold 893015. Yes or no? And at invoice stage, I require 5GL account. Price discount, ये प्राइस है, दिस इज प्राइस PR00, discount, freight, tax and total. Total is nothing but your customer account or trade receivable, that is the nothing but this GL account you have entered in your customer master data in FD01. Clear? So how many GL account till now? 2 plus 1 plus 5, 8 GL account. Correct? And finally, where I am going to clear this amount? I am going to clear in the bank in F-28. Correct? In the bank, when I am going to clear, I am going to enter the bank GL account number 113109. Correct? So, yes or no, Chachi? So, when I am going to do this, going to when I am going to do this, I am going to get the number. Yes or no? The bank GL account number. So, which is the bank GL account number you have entered when you are entering your uh, F-28? You entered 113109. Yes or no? This is the ninth GL account for the customer. Already 1,40,000 is repeated. Am I clear? To run your simple order to cash cycle or OTC cycle or SD cycle, Tabitha, the FI consultant sitting in the project, how many GL accounts she has to give? Yes, one. Totally, she has to give you nine GL accounts. Nine. Correct? Am I clear to all of you? Nine GL accounts has to be given. Yes or no? So, what we have understood is Now Tabitha has to give 9 GL account to Chachi. Correct? So this is the understanding of today's class. What we have understood. So Tabitha is going to give Chachi 9 GL accounts. Correct? So what are the 9 GL accounts she is going to give? She is going to give this. Correct? Stock posting stage, finished goods inventory, and this. This I have mailed it to into your all of you, the leaders. Because Daniel I didn't have or Martin, I have sent it to Nadel. You have to forward it to everyone. Correct? So if you see, these are the GL account which are there in 1000 company code. Yes or no? Now what is my aim? I have to create these GL accounts in my own company code called SRAJ or KENN or whatever the enterprise structure which you have created. Yes or no? So that is going to be your class tomorrow. Am I clear? How to create this GL account? Am I clear? So first we are going to talk that when we come back, when we are going to do our AP or SD module, then we have to come and understand the GL account for AP also. Clear? Let's go with this. So this 1,40,000 GL account or receivable GL account is not there on SARJ, which our Shamika has not created, Tabitha. Correct? Until she doesn't create a reconciliation account, you won't be able to create a customer. Am I clear, Shamika? So that is the first GL account which you have to understand. Clear? Request all of you, please comment on that so that I can have the attendance on YouTube. All of you, please just take a minute and write a comment. All of you, please. If you just write a comment, good, the documents have reached us, and tomorrow we are going to see the creation of GL account that is called as GL configuration step. Tabitha, whoever is from accounts background, I request all of you to unmute your microphone. Tabitha, and please, all the Kenya and Indian students, just spell out their name who are from accounting background. Tabitha, and who are all else are there from accounting background from Kenya who understands accounts. Anyone else? Anyone there? So Daniel, are you from accounts background or from supply chain? Okay. So Tabitha is there. So two consultants we have got now, Tabitha and Daniel, correct? And rest of them are all supply chain management consultant. From India, Shamika, you are from accounts. Yashwant, are you from accounts, correct? Shravani is not there in the class. I think she's also, I don't know. Anyone else? Teja, you are from accounts. So three, and anyone from India who is from accounts? So three Indian and two Kenya, five FI consultants are available for us. Don't worry, the whole class. If you require, you can request these five gentlemen or ladies for understanding this video. I want you to repeat it twice or thrice in the loop and listen to it. Kennedy, clear? So I hope I was very slow and I have taken a very lengthy class today. I request all of you, have you put the comment there? You can just go and comment it there so that I can have the attendance count, all of you. And any queries there, please comment it there. Kennedy, you tell your lab members, red team, yellow team, Indian lab team, correct? Avinash, అర్థమైందా? Avinash, అర్థమైందా? I request you tomorrow to sit in that. Whoever is free and not working and you have taken the break, please contact Avinash in this group and he will send you a WhatsApp, this Google Meet link, and you people can discuss it. Avinash, tomorrow morning around 11:30 or so, you open it so that the Kenya also it will be 9 o'clock. Whoever is free, they can join, put it in the group, and then you have to go through the video. I request till you don't go through the video, it's of no use. And tomorrow we are going to go with this. I hope everyone has given the attendance on YouTube, correct? And the documents are available in your mailbox. All the group leader, please send it to your respective team. Clear?